All right, let me answer some of your questions about how this would fit on a bike handlebar. So I've got this indoor setup here for my indoor gym. It's a pretty standard size handlebar of a bike. And so here you see this clip, it just unclips like this, and you can tell that it's just a little hook system essentially. So let's go ahead and see if it fits on here. Now loop it around, and oh boy, I don't think there's any way that this is fitting. Maybe if I don't think so. I mean, I'm worried if I stretch this out too much, it will fit on nothing else if I stretch it to fit here. And I'm not even sure I possibly could stretch it all the so close. I don't know. It's a little risky. So I'd say probably not for this size handlebar on a bike, but it is super convenient. I could hook it to a belt. I could hook it to a smaller size. Like this one's much thinner and it hooks much more easily to something this size. So I'd say yes, works on certain things. Just I wouldn't guarantee that it's gonna fit on all handlebars.